Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. Today I'm gonna film something a little bit different, nothing too crazy, but it's gonna be less depop oriented and more my personal life oriented. I wanted to do a productive day in my life. To be fair, every single day of mine is pretty productive. It'll be productive in the sense that I'm cleaning my entire apartment. I literally just woke up, if you can't tell by my hair. Film some of my workouts. I would say my life is pretty much a mixture of depop and my personal wellness. I really prioritize working out every single day, taking care of myself, self-care, whether that be like stretching and like having my own meditation time, or saunas, taking supplements, hydrating. That's my other love besides clothes. I feel productive while I'm doing it. I feel good. I wake up feeling good. You know, everybody should like that just because it makes you feel better. So I just take you along in my day, starting with getting ready a little bit. First things first. I just woke up this morning and I hit 10,000 followers! Woo! On my Depop. I was so excited. I'm still very excited, but like for days leading up to this, I'm like, oh my god, I'm so close. I can't wait. I'm just really grateful that this is my job and that I have the opportunity to do it and people like it. I can't even explain how grateful I am for it. Like, I will never take it for granted. And so I hit my 10,000 followers on there. I just hit my 15,000 on TikTok. Every day I wake up, I'm getting more and more traction and followers and views on my YouTube, which is also really fun because like this is something that is not for money. Like, I want to share this. I don't have to. I don't make anything. Probably will never make anything from it, but it's a really fun thing that I didn't know I would like. Happy that I'm doing it, so I also have like video diaries to look back on. I don't know if you guys do this, but every single day I write out what I'm supposed to do the day before. I've done this for as long as I can remember in my notes app or anything. It makes things way easier for me knowing that like I already have my day planned out, so it's not a bunch of like, what was I supposed to do today? Way more structured. I love this stuff. I don't think I really hate my under eye circles at all. Typically think that when I make them brighter it looks like fake and weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I think it makes my eyes pop more that there's like darker parts around it. You can see. Sorry if this is too close. I don't know. I don't mind it, but I do love this serum. I feel like it just like wakes up my eyes like physically. You know when you're tired and they're like heavy? Anyways, whatever. Sunscreen, even though it's been really cloudy outside. The UV is still 8 and 9 peak hours. So sunscreen. Oh boy, I do have a lot to do today actually. A lot of phone calls and appointments. That's what today is for. Getting things done. We can start by moving my laundry. While I'm around the house, I am going to be playing music, so sayonara for a second. I won't be talking much because I need a jam while I do these things. Before I go to the post office, I am just gonna kind of go over my day. I did get an iPad. I'm so excited, with a little stylus. Got this off eBay for $170. What a steal. It works good as new. I just filled up my car from 10 miles to full. That was $70. Is that not crazy? $70 for regular gas. Really fast, I'm gonna finish uploading some drafts, so when I take my pictures it's a lot quicker for me to upload and post them. Okay, well, I was supposed to do this yesterday, but the sun was not shining, and now the sun is shining, so I'm gonna take some pictures and upload my things, and then we'll work out, maybe even tan today while I edit. That's productive. We'll see. Let me plop you over here, babes. Well, I'm not even close to being done with taking pictures, but it's been 2 hours and the sun's shining, and I think I'm doing a little change of plans. I think I'm going to do a little Pilates workout right here in my home. I'm gonna lay outside while I edit and enjoy the sun. Back home, I'm burnt to a crisp, but I have a lot of things I still need to do. It's 2 o'clock, but we can do it. I just got my Amazon packages from downstairs. I'm gonna open them. So I ordered this cheetah print case for my iPad. And I forgot, oh my god, I got these little cheetah print coasters for my car, like where your drink goes on the bottom. This is why I can't save money. How cute is this? Cute! I also got this. I saw someone driving the other day with this on their license plate, and I was like, I have to. I literally have to. So I got this. This is a black cheetah print. Where's my laptop? Hardcover for my laptop, because one thing about me is that I am clumsy. I like to throw things unintentionally. Cute! Some Premier protein shakes. I really try to get my protein in, even though I'm usually really busy in my day. I drink like 2 of these to make up for my lost protein. And I know that they aren't the best for you with the greatest ingredients. It does the trick for me, and it's the only one I've found thus far that tastes good. So if you guys have a recommendation on one that tastes good, please let me know. I'm sorry that it's loud, but I got my Roomba going. Did my laundry, put in a new load. Right now, I am gonna go try to run. It's really beautiful. I would love to run outside. Sometimes I just get kind of scared. my really bizarre attire. I did want to show you guys the supplements that I take every day, just because, I don't know, I find it fun to know. These ones are pretty generic. Never got my blood tested to see what I'm deficient in. Like, my number one fear is getting blood drawn. Anyways, I have this gut support that you put in your water, just like a couple droplets. Just recently started taking DIM, which is good for hormonal health. Fish oil every single day. This one's the most important to me. This magnesium complex. This one specifically has magnesium citrate and oxide. Those two types of magnesium I found help with my anxiety, as opposed to, what's the other one? There's another one that's like really popular. Anyways, I feel like that one makes me more anxious, or every single time I've taken it, but this helps me wind down, my muscles relax, gets me calm before bed. So I take this every single day. This is my favorite part of the day. It's time to get clean. I've been taking my Tatcha cleansing balm. I've been double cleansing and I'm so happy. I don't know if it's that or nothing in combination of things, but my skin has been so much better. I didn't do everything I needed to do today. That's okay. I'm gonna sit back, relax for a second, order some food, plan out my day tomorrow, my iPad, go through emails, messages on Depop, then probably just relax and end my day. This is honestly how my days are every single day. I like to be busy. I like to always have something to do. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I really appreciate all the comments. Every single one has been so nice and positive. I just want to say thank you very much. I would really love to know what you guys want to see, if it's Depop related, if it's just my life, something you want to see. I'm down to do it. I really like making these and I'm really, really happy that you guys like them. But yeah.